Hey, what's going on, guys? Appreciate you stopping by. Like the title says, this is going to be just a quick update with Nightwatch Soap Company's upcoming release and some other products that we are releasing. So, first up on Tuesday, Emerald Pools is releasing. Emerald Pools is an aquatic scent. It's a marine accord. This is the scent profile: marine accord, pink grapefruit, lavender, amber, and guaiac wood. Now, you don't really get too much of the wooziness. You do get a slight amount. This is a heavy aquatic scent. Um, I know somebody had concerns about like a heavy lavender scent. You don't get any heavy lavender, although it is present, but it's a very back note. And you do get a bit of the pink grapefruit, like I said, but it comes through more as kind of like a citrus, but it's an undertone to the marine. The marine accord is in all honesty the heaviest of the scents. In my opinion, this is my personal tub. Um, hmm. It's hard to say. It's hard to say which, if you have multiple kids, which kid's your favorite. It's hard to tell you, but I would say Emerald Pools is out of the three that we've released. Emerald Pools is my favorite. I've been getting a lot of questions about Love Indoors as well. I need to talk with Jason at the Razor Company. I don't know if he wants. I don't know if we want to re-release that. I don't know, but anyway, we'll get more into that in the future. But something else. So Emerald Pools, the new soap is releasing, and then also splashes. We have splashes coming, guys. So Emerald Pools, and this is the Midnight Moods. So yeah, splashes are also being shipped. I'll have the Razor Company will have the soaps and the splashes for Emerald Pools and Midnight Moods. On my site, I'll have the soaps, the splashes, and EDPs. Now, this is an unlabeled EDP. At the time of this recording, my labels are supposed to come in 2 days. But these are the bottles here. It is 50 milliliter, or 1.7 fluid ounces. Has the nice cap there. Very nice atomizers. I went through, well, it was 3 separate companies, but it was 7 separate atomizers that I tried, and this was the best atomizer. It gives like a wide breadth of spray, so like it's hard to really tell you, but I'd say if you're about this far away, let me get my fat head out the way. If you're about this far away and I spray it, it's covering my whole hand and then some. So it has a wide breadth of actual mist that comes out of it. So it covers a wide area. Which is kind of what you want in an atomizer. You don't want to have to kind of like spray everywhere with an EDP. You kind of want to spray it once, maybe twice, and then you want it to last. We've gotten some very good feedback on those. I've only sent the EDPs out to 4 guys, not including myself. I test them as well, but I want others' feedback. I've gotten feedback from 3 of the guys. Have been phenomenal feedback. Great. One wanted a little bit extra of silage or siege, SILLA. He's testing that now. That's Sully. I mean, Sully's testing that now. I'll get his feedback and see because I kind of ship them out in these little things. So I don't know. He'll put it in atomizer and test it. But as far as my testing goes and the other guys, it's good. So yeah. We'll come out with an EDP for Midnight Moods and an EDP for Emerald Pools. And again, the EDPs will just be sold on the nightwatchsoapco.com website. Yeah, other than that, that's really all this was. This was just a real quick update. Like I said, Emerald Pools, Soap Splash, EDP all drop on Tuesday. And Midnight Moods will have its matching splash as well. Yeah, and if you want the EDPs, you can pick those up from my site as well. I'm changing it to where if you purchase $50 or more, it is free shipping, so you won't pay for shipping. So if you purchase, for instance, a soap, a splash, and the EDPs, or just one EDP, you would essentially get free shipping. You wouldn't pay shipping just for the actual products themselves. But other than that, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Appreciate all the love, all the support. Like I said, if a gun was held to my head, Emerald Pools by far is probably my favorite out of what we've released so far. Love Indoors, extremely good. Midnight Moods, although it's on the lighter end of the scent, it's a very, very nice complex scent. But yeah, that's it. Hope you have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time.